I came here for one reason and one reason only. For the yearly 1v1 versus HPS fishing. Kid talks so much smack. We are out here on the Chickahominy River. Gonna be doing a friendly 1v1. I did forget the trophy, but it's probably gonna be staying at home anyways, so.
I forgot it for a reason. All I'm gonna say.
I don't want to give it up. He's definitely gonna win today. I'm gonna throw a little bit of glider around, a little frog, a little bit of chatterbait. I don't know. We'll figure that out when the time comes. But my buddy Dylan's gonna come fish with me too. He's not gonna be part of the 1v1 because it just wouldn't be fair. But leave a thumbs up for Hunter down below. Give him some good luck. He needs it.
You guys heard him.
Alright, well I was just finishing up a glide bait video. HPS got about an hour and a half, no, we'll say an hour head start, so no excuses. Oh, what the heck? Just got bit there on the chatterbait. First bite of the day. Yeah, it's on the North Carolina side that it's launching. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Should be full swing. Got him. Oh, Hunter, you in trouble, buddy. Sweet. Fish number one on the glide. Little guy, probably two pounds.
That's what you wanted to see.
Nice quick response. Love it. It's working it super slow. You can stay up there.
No.
Sure. All right.
Looks like a dang bed to me.
Mm-hmm. I'd say it's a bed for sure. It was. Remnants. Do I got one? Stay on the trees, boy.
There we go.
Okay, buddy, you can chill. Thank you. Number two. Just painfully slow dragging that thing.
This or that?
This. I was just pulling it through that tree and letting it sit. Then I thought I was hung on one of the roots and it just started slowly moving toward the boat. Doesn't feel like the kind of day you gotta be fishing this slow, but it is. Ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. A little bit bigger. Nah, he's about the same. Number three. Ooh. Stuck him. Dude, right at the boat.
Yes, sir.
All right. They're eating the Z-Hog. Did you ever throw one of these little guys? They're tiny.
No, that's awesome.
The bite's just turning on. No bite. Just notice my line like coming down next to the side of the boat. Don't know if he'll work. Limit!
For sure he's 12, sir.
We'll take it. The first, easiest one to figure out which one's calling first. I ain't mad. I'm down to clown in the pads.
Yeah, I definitely don't want to spend a lot of time there, but I'm like,
You're good. I mean, we know there's fish in the pads.
like 2 6s, you know? I saw him first.
Is that the one?
That might have been.
That's funny. They in the pads now. They in the pads. Spent all day looking through pads, trees, creeks. I seen him first. Nice little cove.
That's a heck of a hole.
I'll take it.
You got like 10 pounds now?
Probably 9 something. Dude, that fish. He was on there for a minute, like way longer than I should have waited to set the hook. I was like, that felt like a bite, and then I'm just constantly reeling it, still kind of feel it, and then I noticed my line's just running off to the right. Hey guys, quick interruption. It's time for the boat of the week, sponsored by my friends over at Angler's Choice. So this week we are taking a look at a 2024 Ranger Regatta 200C, one of the few pontoon boats that we've looked at here on the boat of the week. So this one is coming in at 22 feet. It's powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. It's got plenty of space to stretch out on that 22-foot deck. It's got your captain's chair at the console, 3 lounge seats. You've got a built-in AM, FM, and Bluetooth capable stereo on this pontoon. This is the lowest priced Regatta model, but coming in at 22 feet, it's a great bang for your buck. If you guys want to check out this Ranger Regatta pontoon boat, please click the link down in the description below. It'll take you over to Angler's Choice where you can check it out. Besides the boat of the week, the Mercury Repower promo is still going on as well, so if you're looking to repower your boat, now's the time to do it. Angler's Choice is waiving all of the install fees on new Mercury motors. I'll leave that linked down below as well. Huge thanks to Angler's Choice for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it. First cullfish on the chatterbait. That's bigger. Oh my god, he came off, dude. Dang it. That was a bigger one. Very next cast. That sucks. He went straight into a pad or something. That sucks. Man, he smoked it.
Well, what do you think?
I think let's go up and fish some more trees. Or trees and pads, both. That was awesome. Maybe we keep going into the creek. I don't know. He ate it like at the very edge of the pads. Like I popped it out. Look, he's got some in his mouth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like when you have a
Smallest fish right there?
yeah. Number 5. Yeah. Still got 10 pounds. Just need a kicker. One minute.
Line's out.
Line's out. Time to go.
Good day.
That was fun. I think he got us today. All he needs is like one decent fish. You never know. Might be close. I feel like he'll have 13 pounds. Time for weigh-in. The big moment. See if I can beat HPS fishing again. Fish through the tags.
Is that big, huh? Tag wouldn't fit?
Making a fool of myself. How am I looking?
Looking great.
Is it gonna be close?
It's gonna be so close.
All right. 11:36. Not much, but it was honest work. Letting him go. Thank you, my friends. Gotta dry this bag out real good so he doesn't get that extra ounce. Alright, feeling ready. I think I'm actually a little worried.
I think he's sandbagging.
I think he's sandbagging too. I think he's got like 18 pounds. Oh, buddy.
Ready?
Yep.
For some pigs.
Oh, come on, man. That's a healthy. Dang it. Okay.
It's going to be pretty close unless he's got a dagger.
I think it's going to be close now. Yeah.
What is that? I think that's only 4.
How many you got in there?
Oh, I put him on this side.
Him? What do you mean? Put him on this side. Oh my god!
That's the dagger.
I knew it. Yo, that is a giant, dude. Spawned out, but long. Pretty good. That's the dagger. He sandbagged me. I knew it. When'd you catch that one?
30 minutes ago.
Right here? Right there. Oh, dude, you got 16 pounds. Crushed me. 1609.
Take it. Awesome.
Congrats. You got me back.
Finally. I beat him!
It was fun.
He had the dagger.
He had the dagger. I knew
the
he was
dagger,
sandbagging. Good work, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, 16 pounds is good.
Sick. Well, the kid got me. Fair and square. I knew he had a big one in that live well somewhere. And as he was pulling the fish out, I started feeling a little bit of hope. And I saw the first one and the second one, third one. And then it started going downhill from there. And then he pulled the rabbit out of the hat and had that 5+ pounder. So huge congrats to old HPS Fishing. Make sure you check his video of his day out. I'm going to leave that link down below. Got some bigger fish catches in that one than mine. Fun day out on the river. I started off fishing pads, jumped over to some docks, fished some trees, and really didn't get bit till like a few hours into the day, catching them on trees. And stuck with that pattern for a while and then said, okay, let's run over and fish these pads just to check them out, even though we hadn't caught anything in pads at all, and started catching them in the pads. It's kind of the mystery of the river and the tide, and trying to learn that is something that I'm focusing on every single time I'm out there. Like when to fish where. It's got to be one of the hardest things about tidal river fishing, but it's part of learning. It's a lot of fun. I am gearing up right now to go down to High Rock. I'll be down there for like the next 9 days. I've got Angler's Choice tournaments this weekend, and then next weekend I have a BFL. So hope you guys are looking forward to those videos coming soon. Please, again, go check out Hunter's video and Hunter's channel. I'm going to leave him linked down in the description below. Hit that subscribe button for me here if you're not already subscribed. We'll see you on the next one.